Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter circle. I'm going to introduce center of the circle, radius of the circle, diameter of circle and chord of the circle by paper folding activity. First thing I want to find out center of the circle. As I have discussed in the class, if you have any cutout of the circle, how will you find its center? So first you have to make fold like this. First fold joining the circular edges and second fold like this, again joining the edges. And when you will open it, you will get two lines which are intersecting at each other. So you got this kind of shape. A circle, two lines intersecting each other at a point. So you can see this point here, intersection point. This intersection point is the center of the circle. So how you will paste the circle? You will make two fold like this and just apply the glue here and just paste it like this. Okay. Now my next topic is radius. How to find radius? Again by paper folding. Same thing you will do as I have done in this. Again you will make two fold like this. Now when you will open this, again you have these two lines. So this one is the distance. So you will paste this circle like this and you will mark this O and this line segment represent R. So you have to paste you will apply the glue this side and you will just paste it and mark R as radius. Next thing is about diameter. Before that I want to do with chord. Suppose you have a circle and I want to find the chord. So just fold any edge, any circular edge you have to fold. So you will get this kind of shape. You will apply glue this side and you will paste like this. And what would be the chord? This line segment is a chord. As I told you, what is chord? What is the definition of chord? Chord is, as you can see here, chord is a line segment joining two endpoints on the boundary of the circle. So I have this kind of shape. This was circle. After folding, you will get this kind of line. So this one is chord. You have to paste this shape like this. And you will mark here as A, B is chord here. You will write AB is chord. Okay. Now I told you in the class also chord. You can draw infinite chords here and all the chords are of different length. It is not necessary that all the chords are of equal length. But in radius, when we were talking about the radius, in a circle, all the radius would be of equal length. As you can see here, OA radius, OB is radius, OC is again radius, OD is radius. And I am telling you all the radius are equal. So radius, all the radius are equal means I will use the word radii. Plural of radius is radii. So there are infinite radii passing through, starting from center and joining end point on the boundary of the circle. So radius, all the radius, or you can say radii, plural of radius is radii. All the radii would be of equal length, but for chords, you cannot say all are of equal length. Now, my next topic is diameter. As you can see in this figure, OA is radius, OC is again radius. I can say that OC is a chord which is passing through center O. So AC is a chord as well as diameter because it is passing through center O. So as we were discussing about paper folding activity, how you will show this? You will fold just once like this and you will apply the glue this side and you will paste. You will write here KL. This KL is diameter because we know it is passing through, KL is passing through center O. So KL is a diameter. So you know the definition of chord and diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is a line segment joining two endpoints on the boundary of the circle and passing through center of the circle. In chord, it is not necessary that it must pass through center of the circle. Suppose you have this kind of figure. This one is center. What about this? It is a chord. IJ is a chord. What about PQ? PQ is chord as well as diameter because it is passing through center of the circle. I hope you have understood this. So you have to do this activity in your notebook. By paper folding activity, you have to show center, radius, diameter and chord. Thank you. Have a nice day.